In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle the grid and draw.io for Confluence and Jira. If you're working on a diagram and want better alignment or a cleaner editing view, turning the grid on or off can make a big difference. The grid helps you line up shapes, connectors, and text more precisely, so it's a useful feature to know about whether you're building a diagram from scratch or making small edits. To get started, open the Confluence or Jira page that contains your draw.io diagram while you're in edit mode. Once you can see the diagram on the page, select it. When you do that, a floating toolbar will appear near the diagram. On that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open the diagram in a pop-up editor where you can make changes directly to the canvas. Once the diagram editor is open, look at the canvas area. In most cases, the grid is visible by default, so you may already see a pattern of faint lines in the background. These lines are there to help with spacing and alignment while you work. If the grid is not currently visible, there are two simple ways to turn it on. The first option is to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+G. Pressing that shortcut will toggle the grid setting and you should immediately see the grid appear on your canvas. This is the fastest option if you like using keyboard shortcuts while editing. If you prefer using the menu instead, go to the top menu bar in the diagram editor and click View. From the drop-down menu, select Grid. This will also toggle the grid on or off, depending on its current state. So if you ever want to hide the grid again later, you can use the same shortcut or the same menu option. This is especially helpful if you switch between a structured layout and a cleaner visual workspace. Some people like having the grid visible for accuracy, while others prefer hiding it once the diagram is already aligned and organized. And that's all there is to it. Once you know where the option is, toggling the grid in draw.io for Confluence and Jira only takes a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your diagram editing a little easier.